This is a Kia Sorento 2012. It's a tutorial to remove the panels of the doors to change the speakers. We're gonna have screws here, here, and here. That's gonna be only 3 screws. Here you're gonna have to remove this piece, the screw over here, and the screw over here. And then you're just gonna pull it out. And see, you're gonna have the speakers here. On the front, you're gonna have one here, one here, one here, and you're gonna have 1, 2 here. And then the same, you're gonna remove. And there's one here. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And then just pull it out. And the speakers are gonna be 6.5 on both. You need speakers 6.5. That's all you need. The same procedures on the other doors.